So, welcome to the channel. My name is Danny Black. I've been on a little bit of a vacation, taking a break from it all, but I wanted to pump out a video because I asked my social media community any questions that they want answered, and I got some really good ones here, so I thought we'd just have some fun and I'd answer some of those questions.
Mr. Black.
So the first one I'm gonna answer is people were asking, like, where have you been? And yes, I've been posting videos for like over the last couple of years, like 5, 6 a week. It's been crazy, a lot of work. I just did like 3 almost back-to-back cruises. I'm a musician on cruise ships, but also they hired me to make some videos for their promotion, and I just was working really hard. And I thought, you know what, I need a little bit of a break, and the best part about it is I have some friends visiting from Oregon. Remember that guy who runs that Oregon Jamboree? Yeah, him and his wife came and they're staying to visit. And the best part about people coming from out of town is it gives me a chance to kind of have a staycation. So I can show them around and do all the fun stuff, especially around Brisbane. I live in Australia, and it is a great place. But if you do want to follow my Instagram, I do post stories all the time there, kind of showing you where I'm at and some of the cool stuff that I'm doing. Question number 2 is, can you vlog with a GoPro? And honestly, the GoPro Hero 11, I love it. I'm using it right now. That's it. I'm not even using any kind of wind protection, although I do kind of wish I had the wind slayer because you might hear some wind noises. I do love the simplicity of using a GoPro by itself just for vlogging. You know what vlogging is where you just talk to your camera, you can kind of share your travels. And that kind of goes to the third question that people asked was, will you vlog your travels again? And you're probably new, most of you are new to this channel, but I was traveling a lot, working on cruise ships. As a musician, I traveled around the US and all around Australia and a lot of other places. And I used to vlog my travels, made little travel videos, and it was a lot of fun. It was just a lot of work, and unfortunately you put a lot of work into that and you don't get a lot of views. Not that everything has to be about views, but it's just the amount of work that you put into that and you don't see any real growth. I don't think that my general subscribers would want to see travel vlogs, but if you do, let me know in the comments. Otherwise, I'm going to try to do more vlogs for the membership. So if you want to sign up and be a member, you can click join. I do live streams as well. And in fact, I'm going to do one today for the members. All right, so the next question, and I actually didn't write down the names of these people, so the next question that was asked was, will you get me on cruise ships? And I think, unless they're talking about being in my luggage, they might be asking about being a musician on cruise ships, where I did a lot of videos on how to do that. So a lot of people watch those old videos now, and it's been a while since I made those. However, if you do want to get on a cruise ship as a musician, I'll give you links to whoever you can contact to try to be a musician on cruise ships. All right, so the next question is the Hero 11 worth the upgrade? I really think so, and I'm not trying to sell you on that. I really, really like this GoPro. It just feels better than the 10. The 10 was a great GoPro. The 9 was a great GoPro. They're all great, but the 11 is definitely worth the upgrade. Especially because I do like that aspect ratio, this full frame aspect ratio. It just, everything looks really good with that 10-bit color. I'm a fan, it's great. So the next question is, can you give me some advice to help grow my smaller channel? I mean, I don't feel qualified necessarily to answer that, but I will say that if you treat your YouTube channel like a Google search at the beginning, that will definitely help you get some traction. Because YouTube is owned by Google, you know, when you search for something in Google, a lot of YouTube videos will pop up. And if you utilize that feature, you can actually attract a lot more people to your channel, you know, just from them clicking, stumbling upon it. And if you give them what they want at the beginning and you remind them to subscribe, there's a good chance you will grow your channel. All right, so a few more questions to go here. One of them was, do you ever give a negative review on a product? And the answer is kind of no. I have reviewed things that I was like, well, this is kind of a meh product. It's kind of a toy, you know, for the price, don't expect great things. For the most part, if I have a really bad product, I don't review it. I tell the company, this is really bad. Either send me something that's better, like you fix the problem. Because I understand, like, you know, companies, they're trying to create a product that's a lot harder of work than maybe what it seems like. But on my side of it, I don't want to be like, this is terrible, everyone avoid it. I just want to give the company a chance to fix their problems. And that's kind of how I handle negative products. So another question that actually gets asked a lot, like I get a lot of DMs about it, is, can you send me a free GoPro? Can you just give me a GoPro? And I would say no to that. Not just because, you know, I you know, sometimes I sympathize and I'm like, I want to do it. Or, you know, sometimes I don't have a GoPro to give away. And then if I did give it away to one person, it's like more people will ask. So you just gotta say, wait for the giveaways, especially in December. Gonna have a lot of cool giveaways. Got a lot of products to give away. Okay, so 2 more questions. One of them is, what's the best background music for your travels? Well, you're in luck because I have a video for you. So you're a content creator and you want to have good royalty-free music that won't get you that copyright claim. Seriously, check out Artlist. There are so many amazing songs and sounds that you would expect to hear on the radio. I personally have been using Artlist for over 2 years now, and I have never looked back. Now, the 3 years prior to that on YouTube, when I was creating all kinds of really cool videos, I was wasting a lot of time trying to find good music. Like, seriously, I would spend days just trying to find really good music, and they would say it was free, and then like a year later, I get a copyright claim for it. That will not happen with Artlist. You can easily search by genre, mood, keywords. You can preview the song, and if it's to your liking, then you download it, with or without vocals. So if you are looking for something like this, do click the link in the description or the pinned comment just to let Artlist know that I sent you. And if you're a social media creator right now, you can get prices as low as $10 a month on an annual plan. So check out Artlist and join, and stop wasting your time searching for music and start spending more time on creating your content. All right, let's get back to it. So the final question here is, why do you live in Australia? And, hold on. So the final question is, why do I live in Australia? And the answer is...
me.
Yeah, so met her on cruise ships and we moved to Australia because she's Australian, and it's pretty nice life out here, I will say.
Are you telling our life story?
You know, you can watch through the history of my channel. You can see the life story there.
Okay.
Oh, look.
I'm back.
Well, that's it for this video. It's kind of a quick and easy one just because, well, I'm on vacation, but a lot more stuff to review. I got actually a lot to catch up on, so I can't wait to share with you all that cool stuff that's happening. And again, stay tuned because I got some massive giveaways coming up, and see you next time.